In today's video, we're going to take a look at how to create an account of Amazon Prime. Now there are basically two Amazon Primes that you can create an account of. The one includes all of the benefits such as fast deliveries, access to movies and TV shows, and many other benefits. And the second one is just the Prime Video. So you can get access to both of them, but there are two separate options. If you only get the Prime Video membership, you'll get access to only the movies and TV shows. So we're just gonna take a look at the second one, which is the Prime Video. Just open up your web browsers and search for primevideo.com. Once you do, you'll land on this interface where you'll see two options, either to sign in or to start your free trial. Just click on the second button. Now you do not need any separate accounts for Amazon Prime or for the Prime Video. If you have an account of Amazon.com, you can just enter in the details of it and then just click on sign in. If you don't also have the account of Amazon.com, then you can click on this option which says create your Amazon account. Here you just need to fill in a few details, which is your name, your email address, and then just create a password. While creating your password, make sure your password is at least 6 characters long. And once you create it, you again need to re-enter it on the second box. And when you're done, you just click on create your Amazon account. Just complete this verification. In the next step, you just need to enter in the OTP or the one-time password that has been sent to either your email address, or if you have entered in your phone number, the OTP will be sent to your phone number. Enter in the code and then click on verify. Now if you want, you can also enter in your mobile number and then just add in your card details and then continue with the payment. So that was a video on how to create Amazon Prime account. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.